Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. In today's video we will go through how to download a program using a serial USB programming cable to a Mitsubishi PLC. First we click on Connection Destination. Then double-click on Connection 1. Then we click on the Serial USB button. Here we need to choose which COM port our programming cable is connected to. To find the COM port we have to open up Windows Device Manager. When I now connect my programming cable to the laptop, it will pop up in the Device Manager under the tab named COM and LPT ports. Here I can see my programming cable is connected to COM port 4. Now we can do a connection test to test if we're connected to the PLC. Now that we are connected to the PLC, we can do a compile and download the program to it. To do so, we first click on the Compile button. Then we click on Write to PLC button. Here we get to choose what we want to download to the PLC. I am just going to choose the main program. Then we click on Execute. When we execute the program, we have to make sure the PLC is in stop mode. I will now start the monitor mode and trigger a tag to see that everything works. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.